If you want to maintain your privacy while using Zomato, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to manage your visibility on the platform. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings option. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Look for the Privacy Settings section within your account settings. This is where you can manage who can see your online status and other personal information. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy Settings, find the option related to online status visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status settings, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings and return to the main app interface. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Zomato, allowing for a more private experience. Enjoy using the app without worrying about your visibility.